My name is Juan Paolo and I am so much excited and honored na maging host po ninyo dito sa unang sulyap ang preview of a musical play, Pilato. Ayan po. And syempre, katulad po ninyo, na-excited po ako na kapag may naririnig po ako na ay may gagawin na isang original material o may ginagawa na isang original material para po sa teatro. Kasi di ba dito po, meron tayo mga bagong storya, bagong kwento, bagong kanta na talagang, kumbaga ma-LSS po tayo at yung mga bagong character na talagang tatatak sa ating mga puso at isipan. Yung mga mai-love tayo. So, syempre, yun po, yung curiosity ko, ito po yung dahilan bakit po ako yung host nyo today. Kasi hindi ko rin po alam kung anong makikita ko sa Pilato. So pare-parehas po tayo na talagang, ano ba ang Pilato? Ano ba meron sa play na to? But, syempre, dun po ako natutuwa dahil tayo po, sama-sama tayo. Yun yung dahilan bakit tayo nandito. So hindi ko na po patatagalin ang lahat. So to start this afternoon, allow me to introduce and call the General Manager of the Corner Studio, Eldrin Veloso. Give him a warm round of applause.
Thank you so much, Juan Paolo. Maraming salamat muna. I hope to, I'm not gonna prolong this because I know I'm not the one you want to hear in this afternoon. But I just want to take this opportunity. First, allow me to give a message of gratitude. First, of course, thank you, Lord, for allowing this to happen. You know, as a writer-director, started with a blank page, and now we're here with all of you. And this project is very personal to me, so we really wanted this to be intimate. So hindi naman para ma-feel special tayo, pero kaya kayo invite because this is really very intimate event for all of us. You know, I thank you for coming here. I'm sure marami sa inyo medyo hindi aware. Ano itong pupuntahan natin? Ano bang masasaksihan ninyo? And even coming to this office building, na it's not really a usual venue place for venue like this, no? But you still went, you still got into the elevator, you still walked the hallway, and I hope that you were surprised, at least happy, surprised when you entered here, na ay, may ganito palang space within an office building like this. And essentially, that's what the Corner Studio is all about, no? You might think when you look at this, photography studio, but we've had events here, mini events like this. We've had conferences, mini conferences. We've had mini plays, mini workshops, puro mini. Very intimate, but we've had voice lessons here, acting workshops here. We really believe at the Corner Studio that we can look at the entire creative process and not just what it looks like after or the final output. And on that note, the Corner Studio is stepping literally outside of the box. We're going to PETA with the first major production that we're doing. And with that, we hope that you, I heard someone said, the best works of art are the ones that transcend its platforms and recreates itself with the audience. And for me, that's really deep. Diba totoo naman, yung mga magaganda talagang linya ng mga gawa na nilikha ng mga tao, they're the works of art that transcends its milieu, transcends its medium, and recreates something with the audience. So that the audience becomes also a creator. And the creator sometimes becomes the audience. Nag-i-evolve yung work of art. And that is special. So I hope that despite the hassle of the commute, despite the unassuming place that you're here right now, despite this intimate event, there's something special that you pick up tonight, to this afternoon rather. And that is something that will, you know, you would be able to take home. Because here, we really believe that out of the box ideas really start at the corner. So with that, without further ado, thank you very much. I'm gonna give it back to Juan Paolo.
The social media pages, Pilato social media pages. But dahil nga katulad ng sabi ni Eldrin, this day, this afternoon is gonna be a special afternoon kasi kayo po ang pinakaunang makakilala sa mga karakter na bubuhayin po ng cast ng Pilato. So, it is my pleasure to present to you the cast of Pilato. Presenting the members of the ensemble. Hero de los Reyes, Darwin Lumentigar, Hara Casey, Julia Pandillo, Jason Chan, Cynthia J. Santos, Francel Go, Robert Macaraeg, Thor Ganchero, Nisha Fabian, and Mika Espinosa. Playing the right-hand man of Pilato, we have Marcus, to be played by Ard Lim. Publius, to be played by Marid Samson. And Decimus, to be played by Chan Rabutaso. Playing the High Priest, Caiaphas, Jeremy Manitek. Playing Jesus, we have Noel Rayos. Playing Pilatus' wife, Procla, Christy Lagapa. Playing Josepo, O'Neil Torres. And playing Pilato, Jerome Ferguson. Again, let's give them all our warm round of applause. And now, just for you, katulad nga po ng sabi ko, this is going to be a special day for everyone. So, for the first time ever, a special sneak peek of the all-original Filipino musical that we can't wait to see this April 2025. Pilato.
Sisimulan natin ang ating natatanging paglalakbay ngayong hapon sa isang tanong na namutawi mula mismo sa bibig ni Poncio Pilato mahigit 2,000 taon na ang nakalipas. Ano nga ba ang katotohanan?
Sumasampalataya ako sa Diyos amang may kapangyarihan sa lahat, nang may gawa ng langit at lupa.
Sumasampalataya ako kay Yesu Cristo, iisang anak ng Diyos na Panginoon nating lahat. Nagkataong tao siya, walang ng Espiritu Santo, ipinanganak ni Santa Maria Virgen. Pinagpakasakit ni Poncio Pilato.
Bakit siya nasa preto? Sino si Poncio Pilato? Lubong naman ni Cristo!
Ang katotohanan sa likod